Hello. Hope you are safe and doing very well in this pandemic. And why not? Because this pandemic has given us some teen of opportunities to enhance our prior knowledge and to gain various other knowledge from our surrounding. Now, as a law student, I have always felt that every problem has its aspects, and to know that aspect is very important. One such problem is innovation and technology in this era, where when we see that technology and innovation has captured our life so well, practically nothing is impossible without that. Don't you see that the growth of trade and commerce, communication has become faster and easier, have all led to our dependence upon technology? This information technology has not only improved the quality of governance but has also given a lot of new ideas to the general administration by empowering you, me, and all of us in various perspectives. So, we are all empowered in this era because of technology. But having said that, bigger the power, bigger is the responsibility. So, I feel all of us should understand that what are the banes of technology, because every coin has two sides. With the advent of so much of information technology, we also came across a lot of uncertainties which are presented. So we see because of the bane of this technology, we are also facing various criminal offenses that are happening online, such as phishing, defamation, theft, online frauds, obscenity, pornography, etc., even violation for that matter. Now, these difficulties in the legal regime will certainly give a lot of way to the offenders to hide themselves. The biggest advantage to the offenders is that they remain anonymous, and thereby making the investigation process a tedious task. Now, given these difficulties to the legal regime, people should be equipped with the rights that they have in online commercial transactions so that they can wane away all the mishappenings that can occur to them. People should be able to differentiate between relevant and non-relevant informations in this era of information flooded society. So this era of information, innovation and technology, for example, artificial intelligence, blockchain technology, virtual reality, robotics, internet, all of these have given us plethora of chances and opportunities to get facilitated. But at the same time, innovation should not abuse the law of the land. So therefore, it is very pertinent for all of us to understand the very concept of two sides of the coin, which is both boon and bane of technology. Also, we should try to bridge the gap between the knowledge of a layman and the understanding of the law. So, offering certification course on cyber law and data privacy and protection in India will certainly give you an edge on the subject, and this technique of online teaching will help you have an understanding of the cyberspace and security just being at home. The course on cyber law and data privacy in India will make you familiar with the meaning of cybercrime, the concept of cyber law, and the categories of crime, their jurisdictional issues, the dispute resolution, the legislation, both at the domestic and international level. We will also see the interface with Information Technology 2000, the Amendment Act 2008, cybercrime investigation processes, as well as we will also deal with the relatable concepts regarding net neutrality, cyber terrorism, cyber defamation, e-governance and e-commerce. So this course is highly recommended and useful for all the law students, MBA students, chartered accountants, company secretaries, paralegals and even litigants. So offering certification course on cyber law and data privacy and protection in India will certainly give you an edge on the subject, and this technique of online teaching will help you have an understanding of the cyberspace and security just being at home.